You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. I know it's confusing, but I quite love this word because it's confusing, and I love confusing words. By the way, if you want to learn more pronunciation, stay tuned for more videos for you. Predestined, and that's British English and American English pronunciations alike. They're similar. Predestined. The stress, you've heard it, is on the second syllable, the des syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation predestined. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.